Hey guys, Ming here from iilumo. Today we've got a Toyota GR86 in our workshop. We'll be replacing all factory halogens with our iilumo LED package. Alright guys, so first up we're going to replace the map lights, which are these two lights here. And then we've got our vanity light, which is just under here. Now to replace the map lights, we just need to get a pry tool and simply pop it in there. It comes off pretty easily. And then we've just got two 8mm bolts just up here. Undo. So once they're undone, we just need to pry the rest of the housing down. So to replace these bulbs, we just twist out the little socket, and we'll be replacing these halogen bulbs with our T10 canvas bulbs. So once you've replaced it, you just pop it straight back in, give it a little twist, and repeat the process for the other side. So once that's done, we'll put the housing back on. That just should clip up to the roof, and just put these two bolts back in. And then this cover just clips back on, and that's the front map lights done. Alright, so next up we've got our vanity light. So just grab your pry tool again, just pop it straight under there. It should come out pretty easily. So pop the bulb out. It's the halogen bulb. And we'll be replacing it with our 29mm vanity fuse. And that just pops back in here. And we'll put the cap back on, and that's done. Now we'll be replacing the courtesy lights, which is just under the door. So just grab your pry tool again and simply just pop it in the back here. That should come off fairly easily. Once that's out, just pull the T10 halogen bulb out. And again, replace it with our T10 canvas bulb. And pop that straight back in. Alright, so to change the boot light, we're just going to have to pop open that cage and wriggle out the bulb. Just be mindful, it might be a bit warm if the boot's been left open. Just give it a bit of a wiggle. Out. And we're just going to replace it with our canvas T10 bulb. And close the cage. Now that the boot light's done, we're going to do the reverse lights and the rear fog lights. In order to change these bulbs, we just need to undo 3 clips from underneath. Right. Now this cover just pops off once that's undone. Now we have access to the globes. So to change the reverse bulbs, we're just going to undo that. And we're going to replace it with our T15 flares. Just twist straight back in. Just repeat the process on the other side. Again with our T15 flare. So now we've got our rear fog light. Just twist that to pop it down and pop that out. And we're going to replace that with our T20 blaze. Just pop that back in, give it a little twist, and we're done. Just got to pop this cover back on and pop these 3 clips in, and we're good to go.